So in this problem, we are given a triangle ABC. Two angles of this triangle are given. Angle B is 45 degree and angle Z is 105 degree. Also, one of its side is given, that's 2. We need to find out the value of the side B. Let us begin. So here we have a triangle ABC. This is an obtuse angle triangle. It is obtuse at angle C. So let's try to represent this triangle. So we have our triangle A, B, and C. So C here is 105 degrees. And then we have angle B, so that's 45 degrees. We can immediately find out the value of angle A. So angle A is going to be equals to 180 degrees minus, we'll have to take the sum of angle B and angle C. We have 180 degrees minus, so angle B plus C is 105 plus 45, so that's 150 degrees, meaning our angle A is 30 degrees. So we'll use it. Now, we are also given that A equals to 2. So A means the side opposite to angle A. So that's given by 2. We need to find out the value of side B. So side B means the side opposite to angle B, which is 45 degrees. So AC is going to be B. Now, we will use the law of sines. The law of sines states that the ratio of side A to that of the sine of the angle opposite to it. So the sine of the angle opposite to A is 30 degrees. This will be equals to the ratio of side B to that of sine of the angle opposite to angle B. So that's sine 45 degrees. So this is the law of sine. Now we have the value of A. So A value is 2. Sine 30 degrees, so that's half, which will be equals to B divided by sine 45 degree, that's 1 over square root of 2. Now solving for B, that's a very simple problem. So B will be equals to 2 times square root of 2. So this is the answer.